Honda's Africa Twin CRF1100L has been a popular choice among off-road touring enthusiasts since its release in 2015, thanks to its maneuverability, rally design, and onboard electronics. In 2018, the bike received several upgrades and a premium adventure sports trim, and in 2020, it began to be produced with a DCT robotic automatic transmission. Despite the many arguments in favor of manual transmission off-road, a significant number of buyers opted for the DCT model. According to some reports, 51% of Africa Twins sold in Europe were equipped with automatic transmission. For 2023, Honda has decided to give its flagship Africa Twin Tourenduro only new colors, partly due to the bike's success and partly due to the impending release of the Transalp 750. Both Africa Twin variants will now be available in a wider range of colors, including matte black ballistic metallic and blue glint wave metallic tricolor for the base model, and matte gray iridium metallic and pearl glare tricolor for the adventure sports trim. The blue glint wave metallic tricolor features blue accents around the headlights, as well as on the front fender and rear side covers, with red and white accents, while the matte black ballistic metallic colorway is adorned with a black frame. Apart from the new colors, the engine, suspension, and electronics of both Africa Twin models remain unchanged. In the European market, the regular Africa Twin is priced between €14,349 and €17,149, while the top-end Africa Twin Adventure Sports will cost European buyers between €15,499 and €19,649. Despite the new color options, the Africa Twin remains a highly capable all-around motorcycle, performing well both as a heavy SUV and as a long-range tourist. Its success is likely due in part to its versatility and reliable performance, as well as its appeal to a wide range of riders. The base model and adventure sports trim offer different features and aesthetics to suit different preferences, while both models offer the same level of performance and durability. The Africa Twin's robust engine and advanced suspension system allow it to handle a variety of terrain, from rough off-road trails to smooth asphalt roads. Its onboard electronics, including traction control, ABS, and a variety of riding modes, help riders navigate different conditions and maintain control of the bike. These features, combined with the bike's rally-inspired design, make it a popular choice for riders who want a reliable and capable motorcycle for off-road adventures. In summary, Honda's Africa Twin CRF1100L continues to be a top choice for off-road touring enthusiasts with its reliable performance, advanced electronics, and versatile design. The new color options for 2023 offer additional aesthetic choices for riders, while the base model and adventure sports trim provide different features to suit different preferences. Whether tackling rough trails or cruising long distances, the Africa Twin is a reliable and capable motorcycle that offers something for everyone. Thank you for watching our video. Support us by pressing the subscribe and like buttons so that we can continue to grow and provide more interesting information in the future. See you in the next videos.